How to use Framer AI to write content on website. So as you can see right here, I have in here my landing page of the website, and you can see that I have some text right here. If you're actually disagreeing to some text and you want to make them more creative, you can head over and then click on that particular text. Now, you can see in here two buttons. You can see this button right here that can allow you to move things. And you can also see this thing, which is the AI. And you can see in here the write with AI option. So from in there, just head over and click it once. And then this will generate new text for you with the same topic or concept, and but with the same or different words. You can also see in here that this review, we have this, so we can actually head over and then just try to rewrite it. And then when you click on that particular thing, as you can see, this has been rewritten. So from in there, just head over and then do those things in order to rewrite your content. And then from in there, click on this publish option in order to publish your website. So that's how you use Framer AI to rewrite content on website. Hope we helped.